Hi everyone, welcome to Beauty Watch. Do you know what's inside the shampoo you use every day? If you haven't checked the ingredients, you might be shocked. Some popular shampoo contains harmful chemicals that can damage your hair and even your health. In this video, we will explore what harmful chemicals to avoid and which shampoo are safe to use. Shampoo should make your hair healthier, but many popular brands are packed with toxic chemicals like detergent, petroleum products, and artificial fragrance. These ingredients can cause skin irritation, dandruff, hair fall, and even long-term health risks like cancer. Toxic ingredients in popular shampoos. Many well-known shampoos like Pantene, Head and Shoulder, Sunsilk, and even some herbal ones like Himalaya contain over 10 harmful chemicals. These include preservatives, artificial colors, and fragrances that are bad for your hair. What about natural shampoos? Even some natural brands like Patanjali and Botic aren't as clean as they seem. They hide most of their ingredients and still use chemicals that can be harmful for your hair and your scalp. The safe option. To protect your hair, switch to shampoos with natural ingredients. Avoid those full of harsh chemicals. I recommend following shampoos, safe, herbal, and perfect for any hair type. Vilva Store nutrient-rich goat milk shampoo made with fresh goat milk, olive oil, and almond oil. This shampoo is perfect for dry and damaged hair. It also helps with dandruff. It is ideal if you need extra care for your hair. Just Herb Dandruff Control Ayurvedic Soya Protein Shampoo. If you have dandruff, this shampoo could be a game changer. With soya protein, neem, and methi, it's natural and effective for dry to normal hair. Mom's Company Natural Protein Hair Strengthening Shampoo. Packed with silk protein, wheat protein, and beetroot extract. This one is ideal for dry and damaged hair. The gentle coconut-based cleanser makes it perfect for daily use. Rusty Art Aloe Shampoo. Made from coconut, Bermuda grass, and wheat protein. This shampoo is super gentle and suitable for all hair types. It's affordable and effective and toxic-free option on this list. All these shampoos are safe, natural, and made by Indian brands, which make me even more excited to recommend them. Check your shampoo's ingredients today. If you are using a toxic shampoo, it's time to make the change. Let me know in the comment if you will be switching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. I hope this video helps you find the perfect shampoo for your